Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Akshat here. How you doing? Ellaru hegidira? I know it's been like more than few months that I've put on the vlog. I think slightly over 2.5, 3 months. I think I was held up with a lot of personal commitments and I was very occupied with my work, so I could not upload a lot of videos. But of course, the new journey begins, which is trying to buy a new bike. Started with looking at a lot of pre-owned bikes. I think I looked up around. This might sound slightly overwhelming, but I looked up around like close to 30 to 35 motorcycles. I think most of it was versus, then V-Strom, and then old Tigers as well. And also got a chance to see the one of those BMW 750 GS, which was very limited in edition as well. I think based on all this, the better conclusion that I came to is one, I can never get a pre-owned, that is for sure. Because every bike that I saw, it was just like was missing from like 5,000, 6,000 with these value it was missing. And then of course V-Strom, I tried it out. Even I test drove a lot of verses as well, not maintained so well, and power and build quality, all these things were bullshit. So while I started to look, I also considered the Tiger 650, but the amount of touring that I do, I thought that I have to go for the new motorcycle itself. I know new motorcycles is very difficult to have, especially two motorcycles to have. But what I'm going to do is first we're going to head now to the Triumph showroom. So now let's go to Triumph.
When compared to older Triumphs, the best part is this has that good center of gravity. And also this is at the 850 mm height. Because of my weight and cushioning is going down. And flat foot.
This is the 900 GT, and then this is the 1200.
Triumph Bandwe. So the basic motorcycle Tiger Sport starts at 660 almost. So Sport Bando 1560 lakhs, 15 lakhs 60,000. But again, 6 months waiting. There's no point waiting. So ಈ segment ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ BMW GS ಒಂದು 850 GS ಇದೆ. ಅದು roughly about 15 to 16 starting, ends about 18. ಆಮೇಲೆ versus about 10 lakhs. V-Strom 1135. So these are the options that I have. Under 10 lakhs under there's no bike. Under 10 lakhs there's only no bikes. Only the versus 650 on there. So for now this is the scenes, and do let me know what I need to buy.
So went to Triumph showroom, saw the motorcycles, and the motorcycles was okay. It was not like those older motorcycles where it was actually really very strongly built. It felt really light. It's not definitely like the old Tigers. But the kind of feedbacks that I've got from a lot of people about Triumph motorcycles and their service, at least for now, is not such great thing. And I think that I'm gonna skip the Triumph, and then probably BMW is the last option, is what I feel. Africa Twin, of course, it stopped, so that's fine. So that's the end of the story, and then that's the plan. And the next part is, for now, that's the Triumph, and then we'll catch another vlog on the content and the travel story. Take care. See you. Bye.